Hi everybody. I am Dr. Rajeshwari K, Associate Professor, Government College of Teacher Education, Kozhikode, Kerala. Today I am going to present the theme e-learning styles. We all know that COVID-19 pandemic has broken our perception of what is normal and deconstructed society. One such critical area where the need for change has become evident is education. The effects of the coronavirus and thereby its preventive measures has upended the life of students, teachers as well as parents. Perhaps the world may never go back to what it was pre-pandemic, but we can count on it to adapt to the future irrespective of what it comes. Even before COVID 19, there was already high growth and adoption in education technology, but as a part of classroom teaching. Perhaps the world may never go back to what it was pre pandemic, but we can count on to adapt to the future irrespective of what it contains. As a result, education has changed dramatically with the distinctive rise of e learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platforms. Individuals are unique, so are their learning styles. We all are aware of the most common learning styles such as visual learning style, auditory or oral learning style, and kinesthetic learning style. Visual learners, as we know, prefer strong visual cues in learning, while oral or auditory learners they respond best to facilitated sessions. In the case of kinesthetic learners, they learn on their senses and need an experiential mode to learn. Now comes e-learning styles. Today, there is a digital shift and we are much more focusing on e-learning platforms. In this context, we have to get an idea about e-learning styles. Everyone has a learning style preference. It is in the case of e-learning styles also. But adopt a blend or mix of learning styles. Then only teaching learning process will become effective and meaningful. Here I am focusing on one mode of classification of e-learning styles, even though there are different modes of classification. In that classification, the different e-learning styles are visual e-learning style, verbal e-learning style, physical e-learning style, logical e-learning style, social e-learning style, and solitary e-learning style. Visual e-learning style, the major characteristics are: if you prefer using pictures, images, and spatial understanding, then maybe your learning style is visual. Visual learners need to see things in front of them in order for the knowledge to sink into their brain. About oral e-learning style learners, oral learners are people who prefer using sounds, rhythms, music, rhymes, recordings, etc. to remember things better. They use all these cues for learning new things also. They talk about what to do and about the pros and cons of a situation. Again, they show emotions through the tone, pitch, and volume. Next comes verbal e-learning style, and here the learner is someone who prefers using words both in speech and in writing. They make the most word-based techniques, scripting and word-based techniques including reading content aloud. They express themselves well and are usually good listeners. If you are a good listener, actually you have verbal e-learning style. Physical e-learning style, these are the learn by doing people that use their bodies to assist in their learning. Drawing their diagrams, using physical objects, or role playing are all strategies used by the physical learner. When speaking or listening, and they lose their interest in long discourse. Logical e-learning style. If you prefer to use logic, reason, systems, then your learning style is logical e-learning style. And people with logical e-learning style possess logical skills. They also possess logical intelligence. You test whether your learning style is logical e-learning style. Then comes social e-learning style. These people are the ones who enjoy learning in groups or with other people and who try to work with others as much as possible. Interpersonal learners thrive on social interaction. Social learners communicate well with people both verbally and non-verbally. Now comes solitary e-learning style. The solitary learners prefer to learn alone and through self-study. They tend to be more private, introspective, and independent. Solitary learners concentrate and focus very well. They know their own thoughts as well as their own feelings. Let us have a look at correlations between learning styles introduced by Stash in 2007. Here, he highlights the need of a blended e-learning style for the effective use of e-learning platform for meaningful learning. Here he has considered many modes of classification. Among them, the most important are Done and Done model comprising of visual, global and analytical learning styles. Felder and Silverman model comprising of active, reflective, sensing, intuitive, visual, verbal, global and sequential learning styles, and so many learning styles he has taken into consideration. And again, as teachers, we also have to be kept in mind that one learning style cannot be effective for learning in e-learning platform, or we should not consider all these learning styles as watertight compartments. It is better and more effective to blend different learning styles together and enable the students to select their own learning style and also provide strategies for catering the needs and interest of students or learners with any learning style. Let us hope the best. Now my session is over and I take this opportunity to thank the organizers for giving me a chance to present this theme in this academic venture. So once again, thank you very much.